Significant weather advisory for northwestern Salt Lake, southeastern Davis, and northeastern Doyle counties until 7:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:35 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm over Magna or near West Valley City, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Half-inch hail and wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour will be possible. Locations impacted include Salt Lake City, West Valley City, Murray, Bountiful, Farmington, West Jordan, Taylorsville, South Jordan, Kaysville, South Salt Lake, North Salt Lake, Centerville, Wheats Cross, West Bountiful, Kearns, Salt Lake City International Airport, Magna, Booker, Mill Creek, and Emigration Canyon. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 between mile markers 302 and 327. Interstate 88 in Utah between mile markers 100 and 125. If threatening weather approaches, take shelter in a sturdy building. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle.